Hi everybody, welcome to Let's John Creator. Today we are going to do a texturing of part 3 Nokia mobile 1100. So this one we are going to concentrate on texturing. So then we will go for the back designs once everything has been completed. Now I go to the material preview, and in first video you might seen that I have already applied the material for this, so let it be the same, or we can change the color too. I go to the material tab, select this and press a eye icon and mark this. So now we have got a same color which is required for us. Now I am going to texture here, keep it fast. Now I am going to UV editing mode, and I am going to open a GIMP folder, and my Nokia phone which one have it doesn't came correct. I go to the Google and download Nokia 1100. So I go to the images. Oh, I hope, wow, still it's available refurbished. Awesome, it's very old model which is looks good. And I'm going for images, not for the shopping. um, this looks better, or we can try with same color. Yeah, got it. So this one looks better, this textures is good, so I'm going to use the same. I'm going to save this image as, and I'm going to make it as instead of png is not came, so I want the png. Select this one, right click, save as jpg. Okay, fine, I got the file finally, and make it as Nokia, and I save it. I open the GIMP. I create control N to create a new image. So I'm going to give 1080 and 1080 pixel I'm going to create, and I'm going to open as a layer. So that desktop, what I'm going to do is Nokia. Oh, it's too small. What I'm going to do is I press yes to scale. I'm going to select this one. Sorry, it has given another tool. I go for the scaling. Okay, I go to the scale tool. I'm going to select this image. I'm going to scale this one. Oops, so something became wrong, so I just undo it. I select the scale, or to redo, sorry, go to the edit and redo the layers. Okay, and go to the scale and select this one, scale it now to 1080 pixels, 1080p and 1080p. I press scale. Okay, now it has been came correct what is the requirement for us. And I am going to, because the phone is not straight, I'm going to rotate it using the tool rotate tool. And okay, now better I feel, so I just rotate it. Now I'm going to export this as Nokia untitled. Okay, no, not a problem. I'm going to do it as untitled name, and existing already is there. It's not a problem. I'm going to replace it. Now our textures has been created. I'm going to import it in Blender. Now go to the material tool and create a new material, name it as Nokia texture. I am going to be making it as text, and I go to the shading tool. Then after doing here, so I just make it a little bit big and zoom it. I hope it will be visible for you. I go for the image texture here, and I'm going to open image texture. So what I have created untitled. So now I'm going to connect it to the base. Now you can go to the UV editing, so you can able to see the mapping for us. So I go for the material preview in view mode, you can able to see that image has been came. So after doing this, I'm going to scale this one and zoom it, and I'm going to align it. G to move. Okay, I go to the normal mode here. Okay, so I do still more some steps. So I just align this one. I select everything, scale it in x-axis, slightly out, scale it in x. Okay, now this top I'm going to delete it here in the vertices. I'm going to delete it, right click, and I do one thing, I press G to move, it's coming like this. So I'm going to unpin this. First I select everything using the circle select. I'm going to select everything. This is not required. So okay, I'm going to select all the corners and I'm going to deattach it. Okay, now right click and split by selection. Okay, it's not splitted due to, so I just use this option to make it split. Now I right click and split by selection. Okay, when synchronization is there, it can't able to split. Now it has been split. Now I just G to move this one towards somewhere else, or make it white. Fine, it's not the problem because for us that cover is coming, so timing I keep it outside. Okay, still we face some issues. I'm going to do what I'm going to do is go to the shading, and I'm going to do single image, that was repeat is give it as extend, and go to the UV editing. Now it has been disabled, you can able to see nothing is showing here. So I make it all white. Now I go to the center as now here almost we have made. Okay, that one doesn't look good, I feel. Okay, select everything, scale it in x-axis, scale it in y-axis, scale it in x-axis, and we can do using the circle select, can move the scalings. So I make it this one little bit right side, G to move, oops, to rotate. It's getting moved like this. Okay, it's not a problem, so we can move and rotate like this, and we can move this one separately. Okay, and move separately, press go to the vertices and G to move. So now it's look better. So you have to do the alignment like this to make it align perfectly. So I'm just going to guide you little bit only, it's not, I'm not going to guide you full length, so because this will take long time to do the modeling. Always modeling is not easy, it's a very tough task. So you can align it like this using the vertices. So I'm selected everything like this, and I'm going to this make this corner. Okay, now it looks better. This one looks little bad because we are having this one. So what we can do is one more idea I got. Okay, I go for the face selection. Now it has been selected, and I'm going to G to move this and scale it down. So now it's almost matched the same color. Still not. Okay guys, it has been moved to this like this. I do one thing, I go it and scale it and G and keep it here so we can see how it looks. It matches the same color. So I create one edge loop here. Not look nice. Okay, now looks better, but still we have to do some changes. This is the basic tutorial for this, and after doing this, okay, this one is still not clear, I hope. And I scale this one still more and see how it looks, but it still looks bad. Okay, fine. This is the texturing, so you can do the alignment each thing. Okay, so now I go for the same here. I select the Nokia text, I go to the edit mode, U to unwrap it and rotate it as per the requirement and scale it down, G to move and scale it down till the sense required. So now it looks better. This is the Nokia phone, and here this one still I feel it's not comfortable. I don't think I select everything again. I just make it an unwrap and rotate it, and now scale it again and G to move. I scroll it, G to move, make it scale it in Z axis, sorry, X axis, Y, G and move here, scale it in Y axis, sorry, X axis little bit out. So we have to do some alignment using the same. I just select everything and move here. Okay, I go to the vertices and move here. So like this you can do the alignment like I said, so it will be easy for you to do it. So I make it, this one is corner, this one is light here, light here. So while designing, if you do everything, you come to know what need to be done. Okay, fine. So now it's better compared to before. It looks better now. So this button all went away, so that also you can move it using the key. So like this you can do it. So now it looks better. So you can do the everything changes as per the requirements. these two you can make it a little bit outside. So like this you can do the alignment, or you can create a new textures you can make, like creating a new textures completely. So okay, next go to the top one and make it Nokia texture. Tap U to unwrap or to rotate, and G to move towards there. Scale it down, G, and scale it up. So I scale it down lightly out. Okay, scale it in x-axis, scale it in y-axis. Okay, fine, I just matched the hole almost. Okay, so here is the phone has been texturing has been completed. So this is the way of doing one texturing. One more texturing is exporting the layout and can be done more perfectly than this. So this is the example for this. So we see it in next video. We will make better phone, better compatibility, because I'm also not happy, but timing is not the time now. So I'm just completing with this video. If you like it, put the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe my channel. You will get new videos hereafter.